Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is, or should be, if everything goes smooth, the first drive of the auction STI. I'm officially just gonna call this car Freedom. It just flows right. I think it'd be sick in the future to do some sort of like American flag livery on it. The car's already white, so it'd work perfect. But yeah, we have a billion other things to do before then, so I'm not too worried about that right now. So let's go ahead, get some cars moved around in the shop. I don't have wheels well, I don't have two wheels for the car. So what I think I'm gonna do, we have two issues to figure out. Number one, wheels. For that, I'm just gonna pop the wheels off the Blue 8 real quick and put them on the STI so we can actually go drive the car. And then steering wheel, we're just gonna use a wrench or like a ratchet or something for a steering wheel. Of course, I can't drive far. I'm just gonna cruise around like around here by the shop just to make sure everything is smooth, everything's good to go before we move on to next stages of the build. This thing does need to go to a fab shop, and I'm not exactly sure who's gonna do it yet. I have a few different ideas, but we're doing a full custom turbo kit, intercooler setup, of course all the intercooler piping. So I think that's probably the next step after we get this thing actually up and running, drivable. And I do need to go get this car inspected. Of course, it is a rebuilt title. So here in Washington State, if you guys did not know, when you buy a car that is from auction in Washington State, all they give you is a bill of sale. So here we have the receipt and the bill of sale. So what you do here is get the car up and going. You run into the DMV, you get a temporary plate, and you drive it out to get inspected. If it passes inspection, then they issue you a title. So we have that appointment, I think on the 15th of this month. So we got a few days to get this thing all situated. We should be good. Bobby hates Freedom over here.
What? That's her name?
Freedom, yeah. The cars are females up to about 500 wheel. Whoa. Beyond that, they're men.
What the frick? That's such a lie.
This is a girl currently, but it's gonna turn into a man. This is binary, or whatever the hell it's called. Binary. That woke bullshit that no one cares about. That's what this is.
Damn, what?
I wonder if your dad painted this car.
It's a little rusty.
Whoever painted this car, like, I don't think they did any prep work, and then they just put on like 40 coats of paint over it.
Did we figure out who owned this car before?
Yes, I have the owner before me and then the owner before him. I know both.
Okay, we'll stop talking shit because it probably was.
I don't think they painted it, they just had it painted.
Crusty.
Should we just call it Crusty?
Like STI?
It'd be CRUSTI.
I saw that comment and I think
Crusty.
that's the way.
Comment below, Crusty or Freedom? America, yeah. Or should we call it America? I don't know, Krusty's pretty damn good. Go fire it up.
Battery's a little dead.
Give her hell again. Keep going, keep going. Come on, girl. You're not going long on this. It's dead as fuck, both batteries. Keep going, keep going. The gas, go down the ramp. Alright, I'm gonna take off the quick release hub and I'm just gonna put a socket with a breaker bar on there, and that's our steering wheel. We're gonna go drive this bitch around. Hold up. 1 second. Gas. Oh shit. Close the door, please. This thing is sick. I wonder what the neighbors think. I like the trunk setup.
What the?
Tires might rub a little bit. Let me just go slowly. I should probably have cleaned the windshield. Well, we made it about a quarter mile. It actually drove pretty good. Alignment's not that far off, surprisingly. What do you think, Bobby?
That was interesting.
Pretty crusty, I must say. Kind of a hunk of shit right now, but not for long. How illegal it is.
Very.
Overall, great success. We're gonna head back to the shop and we're actually gonna do some work on Bobby's car. This thing's not gonna be touched for a while because I did promise Bobby to work on all of her cars before I ever touch this car.
Even Barry?
We're not gonna work on Barry today, but we're gonna work on Gary, but not Barry.
Am I allowed to? When can I do an interior D on Barry?
In a week.
What do we got going on, Dave?
Just coasting back to the shop. Getting optimal airflow through our radiator because she's a little warmer right now. Got launch, you know. Just in this really set car. So Bob's car is getting a new carbon lip. Noble, which I think they're owned by Import Image, came out with a bunch of carbon fiber parts. And one of them is a front lip. The other is these mirror caps. I know they have like grills and hood scoops and all that good stuff. I'll go ahead and link these parts down below. We did initially have just some mirror cap overlays installed, and then I saw they made these, which is a complete replacement. And I was like, damn, we got to get them. So we already got one swapped out at the house. The other one, OEM one, I cannot get off, but we can at the shop because we've got tools. This thing got so scratched up. What the fuck did you do with it? They're just flopping around in your car.
Ooh.
How many miles are on this oil? Like 10,000 miles at 550, 580 wheel. What the hell this thing makes? Let's change the oil when we do the clutch in a few days. Mirror cap is installed. It's a little scratched up. This thing's been bouncing around in the back of Bobby's car for like 2 weeks. Good job, Bobby. You scuffed it up.
Technically, you're the one who chucked it in the back seat.
Next up is the lip. We used to have a carbon lip on here. Bobby destroyed it. We put a stock lip on.
Who destroyed it? Somebody hit me and I got pushed up on a freaking curb. I ran it in the winter time. Snow got a little too high and it ripped it right off.
I have a stock lip on it now, but the Noble lip I think is gonna look good here. Let's go.
Fire King, is that for me?
Let's go open it up.
I'm not pushing it on the side.
Lip is on, lip looks good, lip is big, and lip is thick.
You like big?
Big what?
I don't know. Lips.
I like big lips sometimes, they're pretty fun.
This is too much.
Do you have a...
Do I have a big front lip on my STI? Yeah.
Bobby's gonna give us a tour of her newly built car.
Alright, when we take a look at it, don't forget to look at the majestic lug nuts.
What else?
And the big ass lip. Like, how could you not look at that? Don't forget to peek at the turbo because she's like eyeing me, so you gotta eye her back. That's it for today's tour.
Pretty sick mod, lip fit perfect, looks perfect. I'll have a link down below. They're expensive. Carbon fiber is always expensive. So I'll have that, and I'll have the mirror caps linked down in the description box below. Is that a wrap for today? Yeah. That is a wrap for today, my friends. Got a bunch of Austin stuff going on tonight, so I gotta go handle all that. Plus I fucked up my back. Jacking up the Evo 8 somehow completely obliterated my back, which is ridiculous because I can deadlift all this freaking weight, but I can't even jack up a car. I always hurt myself doing the most weird things in the world. It is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Goodbye.